Hi everyone, Matty here, CEO and co-founder of Boldr. Today, I'm super excited to be unboxing our newest product, Klima. It's a plug-and-play smart thermostat that can transform your mini-split, AC, and air-to-air heat pump into a smart home device, helping you automate home climate, reduce energy consumption, and improve the overall convenience in the home. So let's start with the packaging. We have very premium, minimalist, and solid, rigid box packaging. There's a lot of real estate here, but we've decided to keep it super simple, straight to the point, with no unnecessary extra information. This is what the product looks like. Short description of what it is, and on the back, we're really highlighting 2 points. First, the product comes with an app, which opens up a lot of functionality. And second, Klima is compatible with all brands of heat pumps and air conditioners. It's manufacturer agnostic. The only prerequisite is that your AC has a remote controller with a display. It's compatible with mini splits, with ceiling cassettes, window ACs, and even portable ACs. But perhaps the most important part of the exterior packaging is right here. Klima comes in 2 distinct colors, aluminum silver and graphite gray. When mounted on the wall, the shiny aluminum silver actually reflects the colors of the wall and really blends into the environment, whilst the graphite gray is more of a strong color that provides more of a contrast. Okay, I think it's time to open it up. We have this beautiful Boldr red color reveal itself. And the first thing you see as you lift the lid is your shiny new Klima. All right, let's lift it out of the box, peel away the protective cover, and reveal the reflective mirror finish. With this finish, we wanted the product to reflect your home interior and blend into your environment. Behind the mirror hides an LED screen and touch-sensitive control buttons. I think what really makes this physical product stand out is the high-quality, scratch-resistant premium materials that carry through to the side where you can see the sandblasted graphite gray finish with the Boldr logo carefully and very elegantly engraved at the top. Now on the back, we have the same Boldr red accent color. I personally love the contrast that it provides. Then we have the certification, serial number, technical specifications, but most importantly, there is a QR code which you will need to scan during the app setup. Also, you can see the magnetic pogo pin port, but more on this later. Step 1 is the harmonica manual, which is your quick and easy step-by-step guide on setting up the Klima, both the physical product, but also the app setup. Also inside, we have these 3 accessory compartments. Let's take them out. So the first thing you'll find inside is the Klima wall mount. It's this nifty piece of hardware that allows you to mount your Klima on the wall without any tools whatsoever. On the back, you will find 2 3M mounting tape stickers. Simply peel off this part to reveal the sticky side. On the other side, you actually have a built-in level, which I think is a super thoughtful touch. It means that you don't have to go fishing for a level or a ruler or try to guesstimate the correct positioning of your device. This built-in level makes it hassle-free. Simply align the air bubble in the middle and press the mount firmly on the wall. Now, if you ever want to reposition the Klima or remove the product from the wall, you can simply pull on these tabs exactly down and the mount will pop off without damaging the wall. Now here's the super satisfying part. Klima magnetically clasps onto the wall mount like so. You can either mount it on the wall with the included magnetic wall mount, or you can place it on the Klima dock, which is an optional add-on which allows you to place the Klima on any flat surface like a tabletop or a bookshelf. Let's put this aside for a minute and go back to the accessories. Besides the mount, you will also find a power supply and a variety of plugs, including the USA, Europe, Australia, and the UK, ensuring universal compatibility for your device. They simply twist into the power supply like so. Now the last piece of the accessory is the pogo pin cable that is made from transparent material that is designed to blend. Again, a very thoughtful touch because black cables stand out on the white walls, white cables stand out on the colored walls, and this transparent material tends to blend in more into any environment. So, once you power on the Klima, you will be taken to a splash screen with a request to download the app and follow on-screen instructions. And that's it for the hardware unboxing. I hope you enjoyed finding out more about the physical product. Thank you, and we can't wait to hear your feedback.